Hey, good people. How you doing today? This is your girl, Lisa J. And thank you for visiting my channel and watching my videos. It's been a while since I've done this. I'm not sure. I think in the springtime, that was my last video. And since then, I have cut my hair. Yeah, I love it. I had to get it layered so that it can grow in a layered style, because normally natural hair girls, we let our hair grow and we think that not going to the beauty salon is beneficial for us. But I'm learning in my natural hair journey that you have to get trims and get your hair cut. It's summer, it's hot as I don't know what. But that's not what I wanted to talk about with you guys today. I thought it would be fun to do this video because I was looking forward to getting a package today. And I got it during the Dooney sale, the recent Dooney sale, the 25% off. Whoop, whoop. So I just got it delivered, and when I saw the box, I said I got to do a video so that they could see this, because I think someone recently on I think it's Dooney Addict Live. She was live. Her name is Dooney Addict 615, I believe. She did a video. She was upset about UPS. Okay, so this package was shipped UPS post. So that means that they shipped it through UPS. Once it got to UPS, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this, or you know, if you don't know, UPS post means that they're going to ship it to your local post office, and your local post office will deliver this package. So this package has been en route since the 5th. It was after the 4th of July that I pulled the trigger on this one. Alright, so without further ado, I need to show you what this box looks like. This is how the package came. This is how this pack. I haven't opened it yet. Look at the torn up box. I cannot wait to open this box. It is literally caving in on the sides. Woo! It's funny, but not funny. But hey, you get, sometimes these things happen. Look at this. Big old gash. This is, I don't know. I wonder if somebody was, you know, wanted to know what was in the box without opening it. Alright guys, this is my second unboxing. I'm going to open this sucker on camera. Let me stand up. Alright, here we go. So I ordered this bag because I wanted a black bag. Now I know it's summer. Packing slip. Alright, so I know it's summer, but I wanted a black bag. I have a black Dooney, which is the Brenna, but it's still a two-tone. And I do have a Pouchet in all black. Okay, but that's a crossbody and it's small. I wanted a black bag because I wear back bags in the summertime. Move this out the way. I wear black bags in the summertime along with my summery bags. So here she is. Although the box was messed up, the bag is intact. And it's a black zip satchel. See? I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. So this is the, I don't know what it is about Dooney's black that I really love. I love the look of the black. In almost every style. Okay. Alrighty. They have plenty of this bag. This is 203 out of 500. So this is the black zip satchel. Awesome. And so far so good. She looks beautiful. Oh, she's so cute. You know, I've been trying to buy lighter bags. They can get pretty heavy because of the real leather. This is the pebble, not patent, the pebbled leather. The zipper is a little bitty wonky. Right up in here, it's a little wonky. But overall, she looks good. I love me a black purse, especially a black purse that's not that big. It's nothing like a nice medium-sized black bag, because you can go out on a date with it, you know, go out to eat real petite like. I love a black bag. I love a black bag, but I bought so many black bags that it was just too much. All I had was black. So before I started getting into the Dooney collection, I always had black bags. So I wind up giving them away to relatives, you know, because I just had too much black. So since I've been with Dooney, I've been venturing out a little bit with color. Maybe I'll do a summer bag tag. My next video where I'll show you the summer bags I've been carrying this summer. This is nice. It comes with a little crossbody strap, or I don't know if this. I don't think this is a crossbody strap. I think it's just long enough for just to carry on the side. This is definitely a keeper. I love my new bag. Okay. So guys, this of course it came with the dust bag. This bag here, definitely a keeper, definitely a classic, and many people did reviews on the zip satchel. She is really nice. I love the red lining with the black. Oh, it's just so cute and classy. Yeah, this strap is a shoulder bag strap. It's not long enough to be a crossbody, but it does have a few more notches. Definitely, I probably will carry this bag. I love carrying it with the strap because it reminds me, this bag reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Alma bag. That's why I love this shape. It's awesome. So guys, that is my video for today. Oh, it's a little turned up. That's my video for today on my, let me put this filling back in so it won't get, on my black zip satchel. You notice I keep saying the color first versus the name of the bag first. Because I'm excited about the color more than I am the name of this bag. So yeah, there she is. And I just had to take time and do this video so that you guys could see that box. I've never gotten a box. I don't remember, but maybe a QVC box like that. But when the postal guy handed it to me, I said, "Oh my goodness!" And he didn't even respond. He didn't even say, "Oh yeah, I know. Oh, it got messed up in route." He didn't say nothing. He just like, "All right, have a good day." So that's just so funny, and I had to take time out to do this video. So you guys stay tuned, because I believe I'm going to do a video on the summer bags that I've been getting. I have a few of them, and I've been wanting to share with everyone my new summer bags. So you guys, you have a good weekend, and I'll talk with you later. If you like my video, you can hit the like button. If you like to subscribe to my channel, you can hit the subscribe to my channel button, and don't forget to hit the little bell on the side so that you can get notification when I have my next video. All right, guys. Bye.